Hello and welcome to a brief demonstration of new features coming up in the Neon release of the Eclipse Papyrus project. Today we'll have a look at a new welcome page for the Papyrus editor. So you may recall that up to and including the Mars release, the Papyrus editor has had no accommodation for the possibility that the editor has no diagram tabs open to present to the user. This happens sometimes when creating a new model without any diagrams initially, or also when importing models from other sources such as source control that have never been opened before. So let's have a look at the first step towards a welcome page to address that problem. Let's start by creating a new model. We'll just give it a simple name. And we won't create any diagrams for this model yet. So we see initially the editor opens with a new welcome tab. For now, this is just a placeholder. There's a bunch of useful content that will be coming in here as development of this feature progresses. But the main thing is that you can see there's no little X to close this tab. And the options to close in the context menu are not available. Now what I can do, I can create a new diagram like so. I'll just give it some name. Now that is an editor, that is a diagram editor nested within that I can close, or I can close the welcome tab also because now the editor does have something else to show. I can present that welcome page again if I want to see it. That's interesting. Now in the Mars release, if I close this tab here, I would end up with an empty editor that looks and feels a bit defective perhaps, but now we return to the welcome tab if there's nothing else to show. And once again, of course, that cannot be closed. Well, let's go back here, try another couple of use cases quickly. Let me close other diagram tabs. That's good. So there's a bit of a problem of nomenclature now, as you can see, that not all of the tabs are diagrams. That has historically never been the case. There are tables and such good things too. And now if I close all the tabs again, the welcome tab is shown. So there you have a brief look at the first steps towards a user-friendly welcome page for the Papyrus editor. Thank you.